Hey, if you guys got one of these old pre-1990 paint jobs, these old base coat metallics, these things look so beautiful when they're cleaned up. This thing's oxidized, right? I'm gonna use Lukat Fix-It paint cleaner to clean that up. It's real easy, guys. You just put it on like this. It's hot today, okay? But I like heat. But what you do, you just go back and forth. No circles. This is not wax, guys. It's cleaner. All you're gonna do is clean. Okay? You don't want to wax a dirty paint job because you're masking the problem. You use this. It's a dedicated paint cleaner. Works on clear coats and base coats. Look how beautiful that's coming out. Okay? This is the original state of the paint job. Look at that. Look at, and there's no wax here. That's a big deal. You do want to put wax on there, okay? You do. But so much of everything nowadays will mask it, not fix it. This is fixed. It's going to take another 5, 10, 15 years to get like this because I cleaned it. I mean, this is the old dead paint. All you do, again, here's something you guys got to understand. Look, I know I'm doing this by hand. You can use a machine, a rotary polisher works good. But here's the thing. You can clean this door panel today, come back next week, do the other side. You're not waxing here, you're cleaning. So you're fixing the paint. You're removing the buildup that took years to get on there. Look what's buried underneath all that old dead paint. Look at that. You getting that? You getting it? Are you getting the glitter? Get up close so they can see the glitter. Look how beautiful that came out. And again, no wax. We're gonna put a sealer on there right now. But you use this Lukat Fix-It to clean it up. Again, this doesn't have a clear coat. It's an old base coat. It's oxidized, but there's still a ton of paint on there. The old paint jobs, they were thick with lots of color and gloss. So the upper portion would get oxidized, haze up, and get ugly. But look how beautiful this is coming out. Look at it. Guys, this is not gonna fade away. It's a cleaner that cleans. This shine is already there. All I did was bring it back to life. So this is the dead paint that was kicked up on top. This is the original state of the paint job. This is the rich color and gloss. This is why Lukat Fix-It is a color and gloss restorer, okay? And we bring it back by cleaning. Keep it right there. You do want to put something on there to give it protection. And we got a really good product. It's called Easy Wax. Easy Wax is a sealer. Okay, keep it right there. This stuff is amazing. This is gonna clean, seal your paint job. It's gonna lock in that beautiful paint, okay? It's gonna lock it in, keep it nice and sealed. Think of this as a conditioner. It'll keep it in the best possible state. You don't need this cleaner anymore. You just use this once, twice, 3 times a year as needed. Now, I use this to seal it, not to wax it. You can wax it now. Now the waxes are gonna leave a nice shine on top because the paint job is clean. It's gonna give it more pop. This cleans and restores, removes all this dead paint right here. This one does. And this one here will seal. Now go ahead and stay right there. I'm gonna do something. Now this is a clear coat. Okay? I'm gonna show you guys something. This is a clear coat, okay? Because a lot of people call me up and they're wondering what's going on sometimes when the paint comes off. So this is old dead paint. It's a base coat. Before clear coats, they used to put base coats on cars. I mean, thick base coats, okay? And they last a long time. Now, this is a clear coat. It's oxidized. You're not gonna see no color coming off because we're cleaning. I'll put that on like that, same thing. Again, no circles. You go back and forth. This is a cleaner, not a wax. All you're doing is cleaning. It's drying up fast because it's hot, guys. It's like, I don't know, 98, 99. But look how beautiful that's coming out. And again, I'm not waxing, I'm cleaning. This shine's already there. Look at that. And again, no wax. Because I cleaned it first. Now I'm gonna go ahead and seal it with the Easy Wax. Do the circles, work it into the paint, let it dry, it's done. Use the cleaner to remove this, the ugly paint. If your paint job is ugly, you don't have to put up with that. You can clean it. If your old base coat, even if it's a metallic, is ugly, you don't have to put up with that. You can use this to clean it up. This one here is amazing stuff. This will seal your paint. You got a decent looking paint job, wax it with this before you wax it, and then it'll just get cleaner. Now this is all dried up. Look how beautiful and rich that comes out. So when you look at your paint job, you're assessing the state of your paint job. If it's flat, if it's peeling, it's a different thing. Watch the videos on the peeling clear coats. But if they're not peeling and they're not rust pitted, even if they're rust pitted, if they're base coats, you can bring them back. Just watch the videos on our YouTube channel. It's called Lukat Fix It. But this right here, you can bring back from this to this, and this is permanent because we didn't mask over it. We cleaned it with the Lukat Fix It. Lukat Fix It's a paint cleaner. Clear coat, you can bring that back too. So this is Rob with Lukat Detail, and just want to invite y'all, join us in the fight against ugly paint job pollution. You don't have to be driving around with the hood roof and trunk looking butt ugly. You can fix them up with this right here, and it's permanent. You only have to do it once.